All right, griddle breakfast. Basic breakfast that we're doing here with a couple little extra things that will make it taste even better. If you're into cholesterol and all that, this isn't the channel. This definitely is going to have cholesterol. But we've got bacon, hash browns, egg, which we've already mixed, butter, and some cheese, salt and pepper. Pretty basic. Just a matter of what order you put it in and how long you let it cook. All right, let's get the griddle fired up. I don't think we need much oil, but I'm going to put a little oil down. Just going to put a little oil down just to coat the pan. There we go. Just to coat the pan a little bit so nothing's sticking. A lot of that bacon grease will help. There we go. Get some bacon here. Get that going. I always start with your meats first. There we go. Get that cooking for a while, and we'll move on from there. A few minutes later, I'm going to start flipping these. That one might be a little too done. There we go. I like it really crunchy though. Super, super crunchy. Maybe that one cook a little bit more. Seems like the left side's a little hotter than the right, and turn that up a little more. Now I'm just going to put these off to the side. These are done. Cook these just a little bit longer, and I can always take these back and put it on the grill just to warm them up a little. It's just a process. Alright, those look pretty good. Those over here. That looks fabulous. Now I'm going to get rid of just a little bit of this grease, not much, just a little. Put that into the grease trap. And a lot of times you can use this grease over. We're nice and hot here. I'm just going to add a little butter. Just a little butter to that, and we're going to do some hash browns. I don't want them too thick. Yes, these are frozen. I can't really taste the difference, but that's kind of how I like them. Alright. This shouldn't take too long. Add a little oil to that. You kind of know when they're done when they kind of cook brown to the side. Alright. That cooked for a minute. Now I'm just going to salt them up here a little bit, pepper them real good. Should have put a little more grease down. Alright, while that's cooking, I'm going to throw some eggs down. These usually go pretty quick. Do a little at a time, so I don't want them flying everywhere. Just a little at a time. Try to make a little hole here if I can. That way they don't run everywhere. Turn the heat down a little bit on the hash browns. Add a little more here. There we go. Alright, we'll give these a little flip. Oh yeah. Put these off to the side. A little bit of a stick. Not too bad. Those look pretty good. Alright. I'm just going to warm up my bacon just a little bit and we'll be ready to eat. Alright, and then for the top it off, a little bit of cheese and we're good to go. Right. That should be done. Egg, a little bacon, and there you have it. Time to eat. Just add a little water and a little bit of heat, and you can clean your griddle pretty good. So just a matter of wiping it down. Alright, I'm going to eat the rest of this. Thanks for watching, y'all. Catch you in the next video. For more information or purchasing of the Royal Griddle, click on the link below the video.
My destruction is driving me mad. Got a feeling that I've never had. For every morning I wake up and say, what are we having for dinner today? I get an answer and what does she say? Fat meat